Boa Bourbon, Cebu.
Di mo to?
Di man.
Comendador Kurt Wesley V., the son of Mr. and Mrs. Marvin
Asa
Comendador
naman
of Lao, Bourbon, Cebu. De la Peña, Mr. and Mrs. Antonio de la Peña of Ilihan, Tabugon, Cebu.
Valerie T., the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Linda Arnado of Bondo Buwa, Bourbon, Cebu.
Arnado Valerie T. She will receive the Leadership Award as Filipino Flag Officer. She will also
Supportive parents, dear friends, and most importantly, the graduates of batch 2025 to 2026. A pleasant afternoon to all of you. As we all gather here for this special moment, I would like to share something with you. For the past few days after we learned the results, countless thoughts have been running through my mind. Do I deserve this? What makes me special enough to deserve this? Then, I found myself replaying moments, trying to find answers to these questions. Did I find something? Yes. But above all, it's not just me who deserves this. We all do. Dili kay ako ra ang deserving. Kitang tanan deserving. So today, I stand before you, not just as your valedictorian, but as a child who once dreamed of making her family proud, as someone who is passionate. To my fellow graduates, our high school journey was never easy. We keep on saying things like, grabe ka malas ng batch ko eh. Diyan pa tayo COVID-19, diyan pa tayo pinakabagyo, na karon ginom na po. I remember some of my classmates said nga, Lord, pag-graduate us na me please. Oh, Lord, awilong po pa rin yung graduation na mo ha? And these words, kining mga pagsulay, made me realize nga, bitaw no, daghan na gabihan ay sa mga hangin sa kinabuhi nga atong lahihan. But you know what makes it special? So 105 kabuok students ay one truth remains. They never give up. We never give up. From sleepless nights to oral presentations, quizzes, and performance tasks, we all work hard for it no matter how much it drains us. You all show up here today as an evidence na ato tong tanan nalagpasan. And that's what makes our batch unique. That's what makes us unique. So graduates, from the bottom of my heart, I would like to say thank you for not giving up. And of course, this journey would not have been possible without the guidance and support of the people around us. So I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our ever-supportive teachers, staff, and principal for being the reason why we are celebrating this milestone today. Sa inyong walay katapusan nga pagtulo sa amo bisag unsa may kapadimon, thank you for your continuous support and memorable lessons you all worked hard for preparing all night. Sa mga ginikanan, bisag unsa ka lisod ang kinabuhi, salamat kaayo sa tanan ninyong sakripisyo sa amo. You're the very first reason why we are here today. To my mama and papa, ate, my twin sister Minden, mga agaw na ko, and Laurie fam, no words can explain how much thankful I am nga kamo ako family. You're always there to support me, guide me, love me, and never judge me. So fam, sana kayo! Ay, litero, dihigong pata mo. To my church buddies, thank you for making me happy throughout my journey as an altar server. And to the special people in my high school life, my friends, Thea, Eric, Jasmine, Micah, Kim, Liz, Mia, Nina, Era, Val, Althea, Aldrin, Randy, Tippin, Don, Ken, the Ken Kevino. Actually, there's a story behind our friendship. At first, it could be sa lahing-lahing na circles. But then, Faith brought us together. Kaming ubanag permi sa kabuhan, kalipay, kasakit, and so on. Therefore, we name our barkada as mga kubat. But here's one thing that makes my friends so special. Mga kumal man sila sa kalibutan, pero di ko magmamayan sila ng mga. And yes, to be honest, I never regret choosing them as my friends. Because you guys are the one of the reason why I survived high school and why I am standing here today. To SB19, it serves as a little escape from the reality of the world. It's not just about your songs why I stand here. Kamong mahalima are the very main reason why I love you. And most especially, I want to thank this special moment to our Almighty God for always being here by my side, listening to my prayers, protecting me from all harm this world can, for blessing me with amazing people, and most importantly, for loving every version of me. Graduates, just like the album of SB19 Wakas at Simula, they stated there na tayo'y nasa wakas na, ngunit tayo rin ay muling magsisimula. Our chapter may end here, but a new one is about to begin. So graduates, hanggang sa muli, ako po si Genevieve ng Marunius na nagsasabing, thank you and congratulations.
Parents of the Year, Mr. and Mrs. Jerilyn Tolipas. Parents Congratulations, our dear parents of the year. Truly, you deserve that recognition.
At this moment, we are request on stage with
My profound gratitude to the graduates batch 2025-2026 for this donation. On behalf of the Leo Rachel's family, I thank you for this generous gesture.
to our parents and instructor who have been responsible for guiding and inspiring us to this memorable day of our lives. We promise to dedicate our lives to noble task of rendering unselfish service to God, our parents, our fellow men, and our country. We promise further to guard the certificate.
Ato sa una-unang class picture dire nga sa akin ha, para mahuman ni sila. Then after that, pwede na ta mag-picture randomly, okay? Sige, para madali ta.
It's been a long
Guys, you prepare. Ano na sa tubangan daan? Raging Astrid, where are you? Lágrimas, Astrid, Adrian, Ariel, Stage, Kalihom.
Against the light. In there, closer. Video sad. Dampa. 4, 3, 2, smile.